Good day, everyone. Today we show a 2015 Peterbilt 579 flat top sleeper, 36-inch. Has a Cummins ISX, 485 horse, 13-speed transmission, 336 on the gear ratio. Beautiful truck. Low Pro 24/5 tires, all aluminum Pete wheels. Clean, not much rust. Drum brakes on the rear, disc brakes on the front. It has locking rear ends, dual cross lockers. .220-inch wheelbase, platinum interior, power windows, power mirrors, power door locks. It's got it all. 609,000 overall miles on this truck. In the last 2 years, it's gotten all new injectors, new turbo, new camshaft, new radiator, new AC compressor, condenser dryer, new clutch. We've been completely through the truck. We've checked it front to back, DOT inspected, it's fully serviced. We don't catch it all, but we try. This tractor is ready to go. Give us a call. Talk to you soon.